In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Charles Schwab language. Let's set expectations right away so you don't spend time searching through menus that don't exist. Charles Schwab's main website and mobile app do not have a built-in language switch. The platform is designed primarily in English, there isn't a language button in settings, and you can't switch the interface to Spanish, Filipino, or other languages from within the site or app. That said, you do have a few practical options if you prefer help in another language. First, Schwab offers multilingual phone support through its global services. When you call, you can request assistance in languages such as Chinese or Japanese, and in some cases, other languages may be available, depending on the support team. Availability can vary by time of day and region, so be patient and clear about the language you need. Have your account information handy and always confirm you're using the official Schwab phone numbers listed on their website before you share any details. Second, Schwab has offered separate language websites for certain audiences, such as a Chinese language site. These can be helpful for general information and guidance. However, not every language is supported, and these versions usually aren't as full-featured as the main English site. For secure tasks like logging in, placing trades, or managing your account, you'll typically end up back on the primary English platform. The most practical day-to-day workaround is to use your browser's translation feature, especially in Google Chrome. Here's how to do it in Chrome. Open the Charles Schwab website. On any page you want translated, right-click and choose Translate to your language. You can also click the small translate icon that appears in the address bar and select your preferred language. This gives you an on-the-fly translation of menus, buttons, and page content without changing anything in your account. A few important notes as you use translations. Automated translations may not be perfect, particularly with financial terms. Always double-check key details before placing a trade or submitting any form. Compare numbers, order types, and confirmations carefully. It's best to keep your account security information in English and never paste passwords, security answers, or verification codes into any translation tool. To recap, there's no built-in language switching on Schwab, but you can get multilingual phone support, reference limited language websites where available, and use Chrome's translation to navigate pages more comfortably. Use translations for clarity and rely on the official English text when accuracy matters most.